What's going on, everyone? This is Kevin Breeze here, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you a cool trick on how to make your LG Stylo 4 faster. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, what you're going to want to do is go to the settings. Then from the settings, make sure you're on the general tab. Go down to About Phone. Then go over to Software Info. And then where it says Build Number, you're going to want to tap on that a bunch of times. Then it's going to ask you to put in your PIN. So you're going to put in your PIN. And then now you are a developer, which is necessary to perform this task here. Now that you're a developer, you're going to want to go back again. And then you'll see there's a new option here called Developer Options. Tap on OK, and then from Developer Options, scroll down until you see the animations. So by default, all of the animations here are set at 1x, but you can change them to completely off, 0.5x, 1.5x, 2x, 5x, and 10x. So let's start by trying this out at 0.5x. And we'll put all of these at 0.5x. And you can see already, a lot of the functions on this device are a lot quicker. So exiting apps is quicker, going to the dialer is quicker, going to your recent apps is quicker, scrolling through here and everything and swiping these away is just overall quicker because there's less time being spent on the animations. So you can make this even faster by turning the animations completely off. Now, for me personally, I do kind of like having some animations because it kind of helps with the overall experience of using the phone. But if you don't like animations, you can definitely turn them completely off and you'll never have to see another animation again. So you can see how fast I can just get through all these apps here. And this phone is very well powered with having 3 GB of RAM. So it's gonna have no problem switching between apps. So you can see there, I'm able to quickly go between these different apps here, and there are no animations at all getting in the way of the amount of time it takes to switch between everything. Now, if you want to make everything slower, you can put these animations at 10x. I don't recommend doing this, but you can already see it's making the animations very slow. So you can see just going from one screen to another is so slow. I mean, there's no way that putting this at 10x is even practical because everything is just going to take so long here. But it's kind of a fun thing to see and kind of interesting that this is even a feature available here on the LG Stylo 4. Of course, you can do this on many other Android devices as well, but it's definitely something that I recommend looking into at least and trying out these different animation speeds and seeing which one best fits you and the way you like to use your devices. So this video showed you how to make the LG Stylo 4 faster. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, leave them down in the comment section below. And subscribe to my channel as I have a video coming out soon that'll be the full review video for the LG Stylo 4 as I use it for the next couple of days. So I'm looking forward to making that video and putting it out on my channel. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on that. And make sure to like the video as well. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.